Now we are going to learn the topic how to make 3-digit numbers using each of the given digit only once. Now these are the digits given to us: 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we have to make 3-digit number. Okay. Now here one technique you have to follow. The technique is clockwise and anti-clockwise. Clockwise means like this. If you take the numbers in this manner, it is called clockwise. If you take this one this way, then it is called the anti-clockwise. So first we'll take the clockwise. We follow clockwise first. Here first we write 1 at the 100 place, 1, then 3, then 2. So we got the one number, that is 132. Now anti-clockwise will follow like this. Okay, 1 at the 100 place, then 2 and 3. So we got 3-digit number and the number is 123. Now after 1 we'll take the 3 in the beginning clockwise. So 3 at the 100 place, 2, 1. This is 3-digit number. 3 places are there. 321. Now anti-clockwise. 3 at the 100 place, then 1 and then 2. So you got the number 312. Okay, 3-digit number. Now let us take the next number at the 100 place. 2 will take at the 100 place. So the number we will get is 2 at the 100 place, then 1 and 3. That is 213. Now anti-clockwise like this. 2 at the 100 place, then 3 at the tens place and 1 at the unit place. So you got the 3-digit number 231. You can see that we took only one number. Okay, see one number, number is not repeated. Number is not repeated. Only one number we had taken. Now let us do the next one. Next numbers, let us see now. Our next numbers are 350. Let us make 3-digit number. We'll start with the 1. We will go clockwise. So 3 at the 100 place, then 5 at the tens place and 0 at the unit place. The number is 350. Now anti-clockwise. 3 at the 100 place, 0 at the tens place and 5 at the unit place. So you got the number 305. Now let us take 5 at the 100 place. So 5 at the 100 place clockwise. 5, then 0, then 3. 503. 3-digit number. Now anti-clockwise. 5 at the 100 place, 3 at the tens place and 0 at the unit place. 530. Okay, now let us take 0. Now if we take the 0 at the 100 place, 3 at the tens place and 5 at the unit place. So this number is not the 3-digit number because 0 is at the 100 place. This is 2-digit number 35. This we can't write as a 3-digit number. Now next one will take 0, then 5 and 3. Again, this is not the 3-digit number. If 0 you are writing at the 100 place, that will become the 2-digit number 53. So this also we can't write as a 3-digit number. Our next number, let us see our next number. Our next given number is 687. Come on, let us make 3-digit number. First clockwise, 6 will take 6, then 8, then 7 at the unit place. So you got the 3-digit number 687. Now anti-clockwise, 6 first at the 100 place, then 7 and then 8. 678, 3-digit number. Now take the next number and make 3-digit number. 8 at the 100 place, 7 at the tens place, 6 at the unit place. 876. Now again 8 at the 100 place. Now anti-clockwise. This is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise. 6 and then 7. So you got the number 867. Now we'll take 7 at the 100 place. 7 at the 100 place clockwise. 6 at the tens place and 8 at the unit place. You got the number 768. Again 7 at the 100 place, 90 clockwise. 8 at the tens place and 6 at the unit place. So again you got 3-digit number 786. Now next we'll see 1, 2, 6 given digits. So let us start. First 1 at the 100 place, okay, then 2 at the tens place, then 6 at the unit place. 126. Again 1 at the 100 place. Now anti-clockwise. 6 and then 2. So you got next number, that is 162. Okay, you can put the comma also if you want to put like this, no problem. So like this also you can do to show the numbers separately. Now we will take the 2 at the 100 place. Let us take 2 at the 100 place clockwise. 2, then 6 at the tens place, then 1 at the unit place. So this is a 3-digit number 261. Put the comma if you want to put. Then again 2 at the 100 place. Now anti-clockwise like this. 1 and 6. 216. Now let us do the 3-digit number by taking 6 at the 100 place. So 6 will come here at the 100 place, then 1 at the tens place and 2 at the unit place. 6 at the 100 place, 2 at the tens place and 1 at the unit place. 621. Our next numbers, given numbers are 4, 5, 9. Let us start with the 4. Take 4 at the 100 place, 5 at the tens place, and 9 at the unit place. Now again 4 at the 100 place, now anti-clockwise. 9 and 5. Okay. Now take 5 at the 100 place. So easy, no? 5 at the 100 place, then 9 at the tens place, and 4 at the unit place. 594. 3-digit number means 3 places should be there. Now again you take 5 at the 100 place, now anti-clockwise. Okay, like this. 4 and then 9. Now let us take other number 9. Now 9 you take at the 100 place, then 4 and then 5. 945. Now anti-clockwise. 9 5 4. So easy. These all are 3-digit numbers. Now these numbers we will see now. 370. The given digits are 370. We'll start with 3. 3 take at the 100 place, then 7, then 0. 370. Now 3 take at the tens place, anti-clockwise. Okay. Now take 7 at the 100 place, 3 over, now 7. 7 at the 100 place. Then after 7 what we have to do? We have to take 0 and then 3. This is clockwise, like this. Okay, this is the 3-digit number. Now again 7 at the tens place, then anti-clockwise. 7 at the 100 place, 3 at the tens place, and 0 at the unit place. This is 730. Now let us see with the 0. Can we make the 3-digit number with the 0? Already we had done one numbers which was having the 0 as the 1 digit. Let us see. One more time we can see 0, then 3, then 7. Now if 0 is at the 100 place means it is 37. This is 2-digit number, 2 places only. So this we can't write as a 3-digit number. Again 0, then 7, 3. Again 0 at the 100 place. That means it is a 2-digit number. This also we can't write. So in this way, when 3 1-digit numbers are given and 1 is the 0, then we can make only 4 numbers. And whereas in the other, if other numbers are given like this, see 3 numbers given other than 0, we can make 6 numbers. So children, you have to keep the technique in your mind. Follow clockwise and anti-clockwise. So you will not get confused and you will get the correct 3-digit numbers.